Tomato.
All the way around. Oh my god.
Yo. All right, so we made it to the venue. We're gonna suck at cubing today.
For real.
First round of 3x3 is in like 30 minutes, so we gotta prepare for this cubing feat.
Let's go inside.
Yeah.
No way, we have to set up a cube last.
We got this, I swear, guys. We got it.
Editor, keep that in.
Editor.
Trust me, we have an editor.
Trust him, bro. All right, so what do you want on your cube?
I don't know, fuel the key.
I'm just gonna put a ton of Comet in it, and then you're just gonna break it in. Whoa! 6 drops. That totally is all in the internals. Definitely not on the outside of the cube.
It's okay. If you don't brush your teeth with Comet, then you're missing out. There's like no one here at the competition yet.
Well, we're early.
And people probably forgot about it.
Yeah.
We're gonna be beat up by all the good people hosting.
We're always beat up by the good people. Okay. What do you want in here? Comet or Cosmos or both?
Both.
Not me breaking another 2x2, bro. There's so much on the outside. My hands are gonna be so cold during the solves, and then I'm just gonna...
Yeah, my hands are freezing.
Mine are too. This is why we need Dexter at all times. Oh, there's a twisted corner.
Oh yeah, if the cube goes flying at the judge's face, it's a monster's fault.
Definitely.
Gotta stay hydrated.
For real. With my American Express water bottle, guys.
We are not sponsored.
We are sponsored.
Oh yeah,
Trust us. Us and our 24 subscribers. Bro, my inspection for 2x2 has been so bad lately. No, bro. This cube is gonna explode.
The T-burns are epic. I can do that.
You probably will get better times than me for 2x2.
Race.
That's a race.
I forgot
right
half
here.
my OLLs for 2x2.
Not the 2x2 OLLs. Alright. Inspect. I can see colors.
Same.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait, how long?
Oh no, I forgot. The algorithm. I forgot my hours.
Spend a little money on your 2x2, guys.
Time to brush your teeth. Bro, put the camera on you, bro.
My bad, bro. Bro starts mewing the moment there's people. How are we already almost out of comments? We need to place another order. Cameron, sponsor us.
This is like 5 Nights at Freddy's.
For real. We cannot be outed as YouTubers.
Honestly, I'm not gonna worry about 2x2 that much. I know that I'm gonna do bad.
I'm gonna worry about 3x3 because if you fail at 3x3, like, I don't even know. Like 3x3 is the main event. I'm so glad we dropped out of Mega Minx because neither of us were gonna make cutoff. What is your goal for 3x3?
Sub 50.
Sub 50.
Except that won't happen because it's nervous.
My goal is sub 30, but I don't know if that's happening because I can get like low 20s. But all right, we're gonna go register and stuff. No, jump in.
Oh no.
What?
They just left the deck.
All right, post competition.
3x3 was good.
3x3 was
3x2 was mid, and I didn't compete in Mega Minx.
Mega Minx was pretty good. I didn't make cutoff, but I didn't expect to. 2x2 was a disaster. We both had a DNF. I had a 27, a counting 27.
I still did better than you.
Yeah, Tobin beat me. My cube popped, and I had to accept a DNF. I don't really practice 2x2 though, so. But 3x3 was really good. I had 2 sub 20. I had a counting 19, which was insane.
I got my personal best during lunch.
Yeah, we were practicing during lunch. And Tobin got, what was your time?
25.
25, which is pretty epic. But yeah, that's probably enough cubing for one day, do you think?
Time to take a break.
Time to never touch a cube ever again.
There is a competition in May, so
Yeah, so stay tuned.
T-perm.